Okay, welcome po sa ating pangalawang araw dito sa Japan. Charot sa Bangkok. So, we're going to Wat Arun para po magpa-picture and to explore. So, I'm here with the rest of the gang. Green Day today. Rest of the gang. Alright, so we're gonna take the Grab going there. Tas yun na. See you. Maghanap pala kami actually ng rentahan ng princess costume, ng traditional Thai costume. Kasi, naghanap kami, we have to make sure na merong plus size. Kasi, syempre, plus size kami. So, maghanap kami nun. And, photographer, di ba, Gab? Okay, we'll see you there. Bye-bye!
Hindi na natin inabot. Yes.
Next week on Chao Phraya River in the night time, they have many things to do.
Oh, nice! Alright, hello everybody! Welcome! Nandito na kami sa may Wat Arun. So, we're looking for mag-rental for costume. Hanap kasi kami kung saan yung mura tsaka may plus size. So, we'll show you around and then we'll kanya kami with the experience kung paano. So, pwede ka, pakita ko sa inyo. Alright, so binaba kami ni Kuya. Pinin ko dun sa pinin ko talaga dun sa may Wat Arun entrance. Pero binaba kami ni Kuya Grab dun sa may kanto para daw dumiretso kami kasi nandito lahat ng mga costume rental na shop. So, sabi ni Gab, pwede daw kami mag-check dito kasi mas mura. Na ano? Costume. Talaga? Okay. Bakit pabulong? So, yan yung mga costumes. Right? Ayan, Ma. Ano gusto mong kulay ng costume, Ma? Okay. Thank you, P.
Big size I have, Nina. You can see.
These are the colors for big size only.
Yeah, big size. So, paano mag-ayos ng ano?
So, kasali yung accessories? Hindi pa?
Yung mga body
Accessory free? Okay.
Even the umbrella free. Take photo. They're very good.
Okay, Gab. Paying time.
We're gonna pay P Beautiful.
P Beautiful.
PSY.
Oh, any big color. Any color with big size. I'm okay.
I pay the change.
Bang, 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 bang.
Yay! Lucky! Lucky! Wow, Gav, that looks so nice. Look at that. Yay! Ano masasabi mo?
I like it. I really like it.
You look so nice. Can I see? Like, harap ka sa akin. Okay. Okay. Mother?
We're just preparing. So this is mine. Mine is color like pink and gold. Nanay's has brown and gold. Mommy is pink and silver. And then Mama has pink and blue.
Girl, I'm so sorry.
Pero yung outfit mo, Mommy, silver eh. So yeah, we're just preparing. They put us like hair accessories and everything.
Oh my God. Oh, Mama. Hello ulit. Hi. Ate, ganda. Mama, dun ka kay ate. Dali. Nice. This is where we buy the tickets. We got the tickets na. Alright, so free water in here. That's included in the ticket. And then we're going inside. Mama, ganda ni Mama. Our queen. Super ganda. So, sinusundan lang namin yung photographer. Just come with us. Mag-ano lang tayo sa loob. Happy!
Bye-bye!
Sabihin nandun na yung plato natin.
Oo. Oh my gosh, so weird. We just finished the photo shoot. It was really nice, a wonderful experience. Alam niyo, sobrang relaxing nung experience. So I highly recommend for you to do this.
Go early in the morning.
Oo, dapat magpunta kayo dito early in the morning kasi mas konti pa yung tao. Tapos masosolo niyo yung place. But it's really very nice. Look at us. Our damit is really good. Can I see mine? Wait, tignan ko yung ano ko. You know what? I highly recommend for you to do this pictorial, this activity. It's very relaxing. Morning kami nagpunta. Konti pa lang yung tao, which is better. I think ngayon, medyo late na in the morning, marami nang nagpipictorial dito. But when we arrived here, it's just actually us. So it's good. So we're going back now dun sa costume rental. Or we're gonna eat. I don't know what's next. But it's really nice here. Oh my gosh. One of a great activity we did in Bangkok. So I highly recommend for you to do this as well. It's really good. Ayan, so we're eating at a random stall. Tapos, ang in-order namin ay chicken. Masarap chicken nila, the Thai fried chicken. At saka, Thai milk tea.
Ay, ang sarap. Malaki yung pork nila. Konti lang eh. Ito rin hindi ma-yellow.
Really good. Sawadika! 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 Orange juice! I'm so happy!
Hi guys! Wow! We're currently in Tep Samay. And we came here early, and I think that's a good thing kasi walang tao. So mom is just doing some photos. Nana is just checking our photos. Lola is waiting. And after, we're gonna eat.
Okay, so eating tayo, Tep Samay. This is one of my fantasies. Hindi, pangarap ko talaga kumain dito. Dito sa Bangkok. Last time I was here, hindi ako nakakain dito. Pero this time, nakakain na kami. Tapos, ayan, ate, alisin mo to para papakita natin sa kanila. So, yung mga Thai, mahilig talaga sila dun sa mga vegetable side dishes. Tapos, itong mga to, meron siyang puso ng saging.
Ano to sinasaw?
Meron din siyang puso ng saging, merong spring, actually chives yan. And then merong parang toge, tapos merong, I don't know what that is, hindi ko po alam, sorry, kinchay or something. Tapos, sinasama yan talaga dun sa pagkain ng mga noodles nila.
So, syempre, gagayahin natin sila.
Or yung iba, parang kinakain lang nila, o raw nila na kinakain nila.
Parang siya sili.
Parang goat.
Chives nga siya, para siyang garlic. Parang goat.
Wow, parang goat.
Ayan. Pero masarap dito. Maaga ulit kami pumunta, kaya wala masyadong tao. Pero, teka lang, maaga kami pumunta, kaya wala masyadong tao. Kaya ganun din yung gawin nyo kung gusto nyo hindi pipila. Kasi hindi kami talaga pumila sa labas. O Gab, sige, say what you wanna say.
Yung mga viewers ni Meliits na picky eater, na natatakot mag-try ng pad thai kasi parang ang dami na yan. It tastes very peanutty And hindi siya komplikado yung lasa. So you guys
Tsaka
can eat
manamis
it.
na miss, diba?
Yeah.
So magugustuhan ng mga Pinoy.
Parang, if na-try nyo na yung Charlie Chan pasta ng yellow cup, almost malapit yung lasa. Pero parang mas fragrant or mas maano. So sa mga picky eater, kaya to. Pasok to.
Correct. Tapos isa pa rin na important, na-recommended na yung order. Yung orange juice nila, pakita mo nga na yung orange juice. Yung bottle, please.
Mas marami ano.
Sobrang the best yung orange juice nila. Orange juice from freshly squeezed orange, tapos meron pang pulp. So, pag binigyan nila kayo nung tignan nyo yung straw. Para pagtapos nyo inumin, maggaganon. Diba?
Ang daming pot.
Alright, so we're now headed to Crua Upsorn for our second lunch. Pero parang solid din tong kainan na to, Sobrang solid nung kainan. Pero gusto ko to yung naglalakad tayo in a random, eskinita. Wow, tingnan mo, meron temple. Ayan, si Mama bumibili ng mais. 75? Mahal? How much? Kapun ka! Kapun ka!
Hindi lang kayo nakinig, pinakita niya na sa inyo.
Oo, tama. Kasi kung 75 masyadong mahal. 7-Eleven! So here we are, Crua Upsorn! Yes! Ito kami sa Crua Upsorn. Tapos, we're gonna try their best sellers, yung crab omelette at saka yung green curry. Hindi kami maka-order masyado ng marami kasi kakakain lang. Kakatip-samay lang, besh. Tapos, ito na naman. So, we're gonna try. Sobrang daming tao kasi lunchtime na. Tapos si Mama kumakain ng mais na nabili niya sa labas lang. So, we're going to try Crua Upsorn, Michelin, Bib Gourmand, sila na restaurant. So, ayan. Susubukan natin. Si Gabo order siya ng walang kamatayang Thai milk tea because Thai milk tea is life. And then ako, I've ordered this chrysanthemum tea. I don't know kung masarap to or what, but we're gonna try. Alright, so we've ordered yung green curry nila. Isa yan sa mga best sellers. And then, eto talaga, yung pinaka best seller nila, which is the crab omelette. So, order lang din kami ng isang rice kasi para mas masarap yung kain dun sa ulam. Siyempre, hindi masarap yun kung walang kanin. So, yan, try natin. Ayan, crab omelette. Ate, masarap. We also try the green curry. Kasi Mama, ewan ko kung magugustuhan niya. Pero I think the crab omelette masarap, Mano. Yung green curry yung maanghang kasi. Alright, kakatapos lang namin sa Crua Upsorn. Really good food. Papunta kami ngayon sa mango sticky rice. So it's how many minutes away, Gab? 8 minutes away.
Ayan, Mami Loto.
Oo, Loto. 8 minutes away, so lakad tayo. Kasi ito, I think, mga government office, mga city hall, ganyan. Yan, tok-tok. Medyo malala lang dito talaga yung traffic, mga kapatid. So, pero from the place kasi that we have stayed in, parang mga nasa few kilometer, mga 7, 11, 12 kilometers away from dun sa sa hotel namin. So, ayan. So, tatawid na daw kami. Tuk-tuk! We have arrived at Cape Hanish. Ayan. May Michelin, Bib Gourmand sila. 2025 for their mango sticky rice. So, go ate. Order ka. Sabi mo, 2. How much?
130.
And then guys, order doon. And then, kakain dito sa kabila. Ito. Yeah. Wala pa. Okay. 10 years. Size dito, mga babae. Ay, oo, yung ano, na jacket. Gusto ko, tweed jacket. Alright, we're here sa Krungtong Plaza. And puro ano, pang plus size dito sa area na to. So, tingnan natin. Correct. Let's go around. So, pupunta tayo mamaya sa pang ano pang size mo. Oh my God, magkano? Ayan, oh, ito. Yes, Tita Heaven. Sobrang Tita Heaven dito, friends. Actually, punta kami sa loob ng Big C, pero ang daming tao. Only for us to buy like tong mga haplas and mga inhalers and all that stuff. So we actually saw this store na nagsisell. And then parang they're way cheaper. So I think dito na lang kami bibili. So ayan, tita nyo. Bili-bili. Excuse me. So yan yung mga haplas.
Gumastos ka na mas malaki sa haplas kesa sa...
Oh my God. Yan yung ginastos namin sa haplas.
Yung mas gusto kong gumastos sa ganito.
Ayun, so ang daming haplas na binili namin.
Haplas Nation!
Haplas! So this is a good store if you want to buy, if you just wanted to buy like the haplas and all that, so inhalers and the liniments and all that. So this is their store. So harap, nasa Big C to, pero just outside the supermarket. This is their store. The name of the store is Three Brothers. Tapos yun nga, meron silang bird's nest, etc. Souvenirs and fruits. And then dito, I saw yung poison inhalers. Inside Big C is like 144. Pero dito, yung 6 pieces, itong 6 pieces na to, 99 pesos lang. I mean, 99 baht. Alright, and then they have other stuff. Yan. So they have the liniments and all that. So, it's good.
And I was able to buy this one. Actually, isa to sa mga priorities ko na bibilin in Thailand. This is mosquito repellent na mabango. Kasi kagatin ho ako ng mosquito. This is for 70 baht.
Okay.
89 sa 7-Eleven.
89 7-Eleven. Okay, then we are going to
Central World.
look for food to eat. I don't know where. Mag Central World tayo.
Oh, they want to follow.
Oh, okay. So we're here in Macdo. Tapos we're trying out yung food na wala sa Manila, sa Pilipinas. Sige, go.
Parang wala mo siya. Ayan!
Yan. Yung chicken krapaw rice. Let's do the value. Yes.
Ano po?
0. Trying out Mickey D's in Thailand. We have a couple of things that we don't have in the Philippines. Yan yung mga in-order namin today. So we're in Macdo right now. Waiting for our order. Gusto ko na i-try ito. Ito yung trinatry namin kanina ni ate dun sa bilihan. Ito yung inaamoy na masarap amuyin.
Tatlo.
Ayan. Tapos bumili rin kami nitong snake na prickly heat. This is for... Ilan to, nak? Magkano? 3 for 100 baht. So that's around 57 pesos based sa palitan ngayon. 3 for 100. Tapos ito na yung sinasabi ko na mabango. Ayan. Tingin nga, nak. Ayan meron siya talagang mga parang herbs and spices.
Okay na, iba-vibe check ko.
Tapos sobrang bango niyan talaga. As in, go.
Oh.
Masarap yung food nila. Ito yung parang pad krapaw na chicken poppers. Super anganga lang.
Super ang lang.
And then si Gab, umorder ng chicken. Ito yung sausaw, hindi niya ginagamit kasi hindi niya kakayanin.
Super.
Masarap, diba, te? Tapos itong...
Ganito lang kaliit. Parang burn it up fire. Bumuguhit eh.
Tapos etong burger, masarap to. Para siyang pepper burger, something. Prosperity, Kemerut, Eme. Siyempre, Fanta. Dahil wala kaming Fanta. Wala tayong Fanta sa Pilipinas. Itong cheese sticks na solido din. Na dapat ate kainin na to dahil lalamig.
Okay na po.
This iced tea. And then this...
Sige,
parang bicho-bicho.
Kanina pa namin sinasawsawan ng mami mo ng french fries.
Youtiao. Tapos i-dip sa condensed milk.
Ano yan?
Fried bread.
You what?
Youtiao.
Wow, polyglot.
Yun. That's our Macdo food. So guys, we're here in parang mga temples or like shrine. Actually, not temple but shrine where people pay their respects and pray. So, si Gab nag-aya dito actually. Tapos dito on this side, you can actually buy different kinds of offerings. So, meron for love, for health, for work, for fortune, for business, and all that. So, you will just order, and then, so you'll buy here. And then, pwede ka pumunta doon to pay your respects and also to pray. Ayun. So, kung meron kayong mga gustong ipagpanalangin, pwede dito. Ayan. Actually, si Gabi yung interested na mag-ano eh. Maybe for love daw kay Gab.
Yeah.
Kaya gusto niya.
It's like for love.
Magkano daw yung
170 baht.
170.
One set though.
Oo, yeah. So, 170 baht for one set. That includes everything na.
Yeah, that's for success.
That's for success. And then this one is... Okay.
I think hindi ko na kailangan mag-offer. Buddha, please.
Alam niyo naman on a budget ka.
Yes.
So, kahit wala nang offering, maintindihan niya yun.
And as a visitor, you have a very nice country. Please give me my friend. Popcorn ka, Buddha.
Yan. Marami siya. Tapos, it's just right in front Central World. I mean, right in Central World talaga. And then there are also like bazaar right in there. Punta daw kami, sabi ni Gab dito. So it's a breezy Friday night here. So you can see a lot of people na may mga foreign folks, mga visitors, not just mga Thai people in here. Meron din siya talagang mga foreign people. But yeah, I also wanted to pay my respect and also pray in respect to their religion. So after mag-pray ni Gabi, After my break ni Gabby. I-explore lang namin tong parang Christmas village dito. Kahit tapos na yung Pasko, Christmas village pa rin. Explore lang. Tapos that Central World with Cheesecake Factory na dapat kumain kami pala. Tapos Shake Shack. Here. Alright, tignan natin kung anong laman nito. Parang may mga chicharon ako nakikita eh.
Anong feeling ko? Parang
The same stuff. Yeah. So guys, yun na. Finally, nakasakay na rin kami ng tuk-tuk. This is my first time riding a tuk-tuk.
TBH guys, mahal siya pero gawin sana.
150 mile yun, malapit lang kami.
Oo,
pero
kasi hindi-
pinapos na namin mga
Oo, malapit kami na nalalakad siya. Kanilakad lang namin kami.
But we're here and we're having the first experience of riding tuk-tuk. Mamaya